channel. I know this is a weird way to start the video, but honestly, I'm looking like crusty as hell because I'm sick and everything, and my hair is all over the place, and just know I'm not looking good to be on camera. So we're just gonna start off with the door. As you guys can see by the title, this is going to be a small, how can I put this? I don't know. You guys will read the title by the time I post it, but it's gonna be like a small room tour. I recently just moved, and it was about last week. So it took me about like a few days, so probably like a week and a half. Probably a week and a half to get this together. So I really wanted to like finish everything to so I can show you guys. There are a few things that are still not like done, but for the most part, all the big items that I was waiting for to come and everything is here. So yeah, but if you're new, please make sure you press the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to press the bell notification. Now on to the room tour. So when we first about to get into my room, this is my door, and it has this small little entryway where the door does open. I'm gonna show you guys. So it's like small little entryway for the door to open. So I'm gonna turn you guys around, and I'm just gonna show you guys an overview of just how my room looks. Hold on, let me close this door. So I'm gonna give you guys like a slow-mo of just my room, and then I'm gonna go part by part on how everything is. All right, so when you first walk in, the first thing that you are going to see is this section. So I'm gonna start off with that section for you guys. All right, so as you guys can see, you guys see the vibes. Here I am right here, but this is basically how everything is looking right now. So as you guys can see, I have two of the lags. Obviously I got them from IKEA. That's where you get most of the stuff. I got both of them from IKEA. I'm not sure exactly what price they were. I think, yeah, I'm not sure, but I will try to put it in the on the screen if I do happen to remember the price or when I look them up. So I put them both on one side. So I got the lights from IKEA, and then this table right here. This table for the vanity, I got it from Amazon, and it was around $130 or $122. So it was pretty cheap. At first we were gonna buy that from IKEA, but the ones that we were gonna buy from IKEA, I guess they were out of stock, so we weren't able to purchase it. So we just opted on going to on Amazon, and it was pretty fine. It had a lot of storage and everything. Okay, so back to the lags. As you guys can see, the way that I decorated is I pretty much just put most of my purses on there. Like a few spaces you'll see where like it has like frames and my graduation cap and everything, and also this cute little Eiffel Tower thing. So you can decorate it however you want, but if you guys do want like a small little purse haul, let me know, because I be stacked with the little purses and everything. But yeah, that's how I decorated that. And then now for this table, these basically have all my like makeup. I don't have that much makeup or whatever, but the few that I do have is right here. And I don't think, yeah, right here is just my hair stuff or whatever. So in total it has 5 drawers. So it has 4 on this side and then 1 right here. And let me move this chair here for you guys. So right here, this big one right here does come with a lock, so you can lock this section off if you would like. Me, I don't personally need to lock it because this is my room. No one really goes through my stuff. So this drawer is pretty messy, but basically, yeah, no one really goes through my drawer. And then on top of the table is these two things. They come separate. It's like this lip gloss holder, and then this also acrylic looking container. Honestly, I don't remember where I got those from. Honestly, it was a long time ago. It probably was from DD's. If you guys don't know what DD's is, I'm not sure how to explain it because I'm not really sure what countries have it and what don't. So I did get those a long time ago, so I'm not exactly sure where I got them. This also I got from DD's. Yeah, I got this one from DD's, and I think it was about $10, either 10, yeah, I think 10 or $12. And I really like it. What you do is you can, battery operated, and you can just, you know, if you want to open it, you just tap on it. I really love this little small little mirror. And then right here, I bought these acrylic things from Amazon. I bought them from Amazon, and it was $12, I believe, $12 for two, and I just basically put my brushes on it. Also, I did put my I also ordered my brushes from Amazon as well. I did have a few other brushes, but I actually just wanted some new fresh brushes because the other ones were mad old. So I also got these brushes from Amazon. I got them from Amazon, and it was around, I think it was $10 to $12, I'm not sure. But obviously this big mirror that you guys see right now, the mirror itself was from what is the place called? Home Depot. So the mirror was from Home Depot, and it was roughly $29 to $30, which I found was really cheap for the size. So yeah, so these came separately, they did not come together. So it's a pretty huge mirror for $30, which 29, roughly $30. And these lights are separate. These lights, you guys see here, they did come from Amazon. They came from Amazon, and I think they were, again, $15. Again, all this I'm gonna try my best to put them in the description bar if you guys are interested. So this basically was a DIY vanity mirror. I was gonna get one from Expressions Vanity, I think that's what they call it, but they were pretty expensive for no reason, so I just opted out on just getting them from Amazon. This does come with how do I say, it does come with like a on and off button, and it also, you could change it up, you can put it down, or you can put it to the highest. And also it does have different types of cooling. It has this, and this, which I really like if you guys would like to change the temperatures and stuff like that. And another thing right here is these are just my lashes from my company, Bro Collection. If you guys are interested to get any lashes, my information of my business and everything will be in the description down below as well, if you guys are interested in getting any of these lashes or whatever. So and that pretty much completes that table. And right here, this chair I got from Amazon. I'm not sure how much it was, but you guys, I really love this chair. Like, it was really cute. It's gold. This did not come with it. This little thing did not come with it. This is how it originally comes. It comes like this, but it also, you could buy this with it, but just separate. So I bought that, and I just put it on top of it, and I just thought that was really cute. So yeah. Now going on to this corner is basically my dresser. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this dresser before. Let me put like an overview. So this dresser is a 6, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, overall it's a 6. It's a 6-drawer dresser. I really like it. It's very spacious. When you guys, like, it was not that hard to put together, but it was kind of a pain in the ass. But overall, it was pretty easy to put together or whatever. And on the top, what I really like is it has 2 separate drawers or whatever, which is really nice. And on top of it, it's kind of cluttered right now, and I'll probably end up fixing it soon. But right now, I just have like the stacks of my lashes, my perfumes and stuff, my candle that I bought from Bath and Body Works, and my mannequin head, some lights and stuff like that. But overall, this is not how this is gonna look like. And then right here, when you guys see this empty space, like I said, my room is not like 100%, it's about 95% done. I'm still waiting for my TV to come in, because the TV that I did buy, it did ended up breaking. It broke, so I had to return it, and right now I'm just waiting for my new one to come. It should come by next week. So yeah, so that's why this wall is like empty like this. So that is where my TV is gonna be. So yeah, so let me give you guys an overview again of how everything looks. This is how it looks like. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about my paintings. Okay, so these I got from, I basically just I got the pictures off Pinterest. I just downloaded them, and then I just went to the print shop. I printed out these pictures. They came in a regular size. And then these frames I just got from, I got it from Dollar Tree. I got the frame from Dollar Tree. So overall, this was pretty cheap. You can get these type of pictures, like these luxury picture type things off Amazon, but they were pretty expensive, and most of them did not even come with a frame. So I just opted out with doing a little small DIY type thing with it, and it just came out pretty cute. So that was nice or whatever. And then so when you turn around, facing the vanity is basically my bed. So right here, let me start with the curtain. The curtain rod, I really love this. Let me see if I can, hold on. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's like this diamond type looking thing. Like, I really mess with it, but I got that from Didi's. And these curtain rods are just some old rods that I had from my old room, as you guys can tell by the stain that it has on it or whatever. But that came from my old room and everything. And all right, so the bed is from Wayfair. It's from Wayfair, and I think it was roughly around either $260 to $300 something and some change. Like I said, I'll put that in the description bar down below. And the mattress is a therapeutic mattress, and it's a 12-inch. It's a 12-inch, and we got that from Amazon, and I think that was about $215. And this whole like comforter set we got from Didi's as well. Like, when I tell you guys, do not sleep on Didi's, but we got this. Yeah, no, I think we got this from Ross. Yeah, we got this from Ross. Ross and Didi's, don't sleep on them. So we got that from Ross. They came with the four pillows right here, but the other 3 is what I bought for myself. And yeah, and this throw came separately. It's just a black throw that I just bought so it can match this beautiful painting that I bought from I bought this from Didi's. I bought this from Didi's yesterday, and it was $25. And when I tell you guys, in the camera it looks really small, but in real life they're really big paintings, and I really love them. They're just like flowers and everything, and they're just really cute. And in front of the bed is this long white furry rug. I got this from Didi's or Ross, and it was about, I think, $15, and it's really cute. Now this little nightstand right here is from where did we get it from? Yeah, it's from Amazon. Not sure how much it was. I think it was about $25, but I did build this by myself or whatever. But it's where it's like this one drawer dresser. I just have my little things that I use all the time next to my head. Now on top of it, I have my wallet, water, and right here I also got this from Amazon. It's just this wireless charger where you just put your phone on it and it literally charges. I really love this thing. Like, I use it all the time. And now this, I'm sorry the lighting is going like in and out. The sun is going down outside, so sorry about that. But that little lamp I did get from Amazon as well. And yeah, it has like little diamonds inside of it. They can move and stuff. It's really cute. And yeah, the picture behind it is just a painting I just painted from Painting with a Twist. Now when you come right here, you'll see my full-length mirror. This was from Wayfair. It was for Wayfair, and I think it was around $115 to $120 something. So yeah, it's really worth it because it looks really nice. I love the fact that the round it isn't as thick, like it's really slim, and behind it actually has a stand to actually hold it, so it'll prevent it from falling. So I really like that about it, and I just put it in this little section. I do plan on getting a cute little another white rug to just put underneath it or whatever, so keep a lookout for that. And right here I just have my wig stand, and then my light stand thing to bring light into this room. Now right next to it is my two slidey door closet. My closet is kind of like the second biggest one out of the whole house, so I'm excited about that. I really don't want to open this because in here looks kind of crazy, but this is just how it looks like. Now right here everything is kind of all over the place right now, and that's only because I am gonna be doing a closet closet renovation, basically this is going to be a separate video, because I am gonna like do this Pinterest inspired closet where it has like different sections and everything. Like, you guys will know that I'll put a picture up on exactly what I'm talking about, so you guys can see the vision. But yeah, that's why I didn't really have the little thing on the top and stuff like that, because I am gonna eventually change up this closet. So make sure you guys subscribe and look out for that video for when it comes out. So in there, it's very spacious, and I think that's about it. That's about it. So let me just go back to giving you guys like a overview, whatever. So overall, that's my room. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really obsessed with it. I never did my room anything like this, and this was like a Pinterest, Instagram-y inspired bedroom. I really loved it. Like, everyone that came in here is just like, my room is a whole vibe. I am gonna have like a hookah. I'm gonna have a hookah, and like on my TV when I do get it installed, it's gonna have like ring lights. No, it's gonna have like the LED lights and everything. So my room is just gonna be a whole vibe. But let me know what you guys think. Like, let me know if you guys have any inspos, or if your room is similar to this. Like, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, but if you like this video, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.